In the last class, what we had discussed? We had discussed the problems, right? Right from two classes, we are discussing the problems itself. That is, we are discussing different varieties of problems. First problem, what we discussed, it was on just based on word. Andre, no? Two propositions they will be giving. Once they give a two proposition, we need to add those propositions either by the word and, or either by the word or, either by the word if then. Okay. So we used to do, we solved those type of problems in the last previous class. Okay. Then we solved something, a problem called as truth table. That is, we need to, they'll give a symbol. We need to just solve the truth table. And in yesterday's class, we saw something about truth value. Okay. We saw something about truth value. So what was the truth? Just we solved few examples in the last class, right? So again in today's class, we will continue with the same problem. That is truth value. Different varieties of problem. No doubt everything is interlinked with each other. Either it can be logical, either it is a truth table, either it is a symbol. Everything is connected to each other unless change ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ question ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Everything will be same. But only one motto is you need to remember what? You need to remember the symbol, the word. Symbol ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ and ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Then you need to know the truth table. That's it. So these three are main important things to solve the problem. Fine. Okay. Today will be, everybody please come on time or else you'll be missing the starting classes. Okay, we'll solve today another type of problem. Yesterday's itself will continue. Now consider here, yesterday's itself, if you have taken for example, yesterday what we had taken, consider three propositions. First problem I'll not be telling, second problem I'll be telling. So consider the three propositions. Proposition P, yesterday's problem only. Don't be confused. I'm solving yesterday's problem only with different examples. Okay. Consider the three propositions: proposition P, proposition Q, and proposition R. Consider, I think, consider the three propositions: proposition P, proposition Q, and proposition R. Okay. We need to consider the three propositions: proposition P, proposition Q, and proposition R. I want to clear, I'm telling yesterday's example only. This is not a new problem. Yesterday one kottide, other day continuation. I will solve few more examples and then I will go to the next set of another type of problem. So consider three propositions. Let P is 0, Q is 0, R should be 1. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇಸ್ ಪೇಜ್, in this we solved only one problem. Today I'll be solving few more problems. Okay, fine. They will be asking here, solve. I think yesterday I had solved P, disjunction Q, conjunction R. We had solved that yesterday. So today I'll be solving another type of a problem called as P, cap is conjunction, then R, condition Q. Some twist is there here, listen carefully. So here what they have given us, the first problem yesterday quite it was easy, no doubt. We need to substitute and then we used to solve in the yesterday's class. Okay. So today I'll be taking another type of a problem. Okay. Today I'll be solving another type of problem. P, see here on the board, P, conjunction, R, condition Q. So whenever they give these type of a problem, what I told you, first solve within the brackets. First solve the propositions. Okay. First solve the propositions which are within the bracket. Once you solve the propositions within the bracket, it will be easy for you. Okay, it will be easy for you for what? To solve the further problem. Okay, so my suggestion is whenever they give the proposition like this, like is P conjunction R disjunction Q, ee thara kottidre, what you need to notice? What you need to notice or how you need to solve? First, solve the problems which are within the bracket. Once you solve within the bracket, it will be easy for you to solve the further problem. First, I will solve this. Okay, according to me, what I told, I will solve this. Okay. Now, please come on time, everybody from next class. Okay, R and Q. Usually, first is conditional type. This is a condition type. Idu nodidre henge anistadu nimga condition solve madbekanta gottadu. P condition Q illi PQ anta kottara anta tilkodi. Okay, PQ. This is what? P condition Q. This is P condition Q. How we are going to write this P condition Q? I'll write here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. What will be the result for this? What will be the result for this? 0 0 is 1. This is 1. This is 0 and this is 1. This one is unique anta helidde nanu. This one is unique in our what is called conditional type of logical connective. Now observe very important. First is P Q R. P Q R. First P bartuda, then Q, then R. First we will be getting what? First we will be getting P, then we will be getting Q, and then we will be getting R. No doubt, I had explained few days back that P condition Q is not same as Q condition P. P condition Q is not same as Q condition P. That is, here this is like, for example, if I want to explain here, P, Q, R anta tilkodi. We have three propositions. Consider now three propositions P, Q, R. First, concentrate these two. P condition Q is not equal to Q condition R. We had discussed this. Bekidre truth table tegud nodri. P condition Q is not equal to Q condition R. Now, what they have given us in the question? Q and R. First will be definitely Q, then we'll be getting R, right? We'll be getting Q and then we'll be getting R. So, Q condition R is not equal to R condition Q. They have given us, I need to solve these. Don't worry about P for now. For time being, neglect the P. Okay. So, here P condition Q and R are there. So, Q condition R is not equal to R condition Q. Why? If you see the truth table, you will come to know. Instead of P and Q, they have given us what? Like it is Q and R. This is Q condition R. This table, okay? Q condition R. Okay, we got now Q condition R. But what I want here? R condition Q. Whether Q condition R and R condition Q, whether they are same? No. For this, you need to be perfect with conditional type. See here, I will write the truth table of. Definitely here also Q is there. Here R. I want what here? R condition Q. R condition Q I want here. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. How I need to solve? First, R is what? 0. Q is what? 0. So it will be 1. When second condition, R is what? 1. Q is 0. So when Q is 1 and R is 0, what was the result? 0. Similarly here also, when this is 1 and first one, don't worry whether it is R or Q. Just notice first If first is 1 and second is 0, 0. Rest all will be 1. Many were confused with this. Madam, P condition Q, Q condition P hanger. Many of you still don't know that. So here instead of that, just replace. Or else, I think many are still confused with it. I'll write the truth table only, better. Both the truth tables I'll write, you'll be able to follow. First is P, Q. P condition Q. Aita. First I will solve this. Then I will solve P, Q. Q condition P. Both the truth tables I will solve now. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. Okay. Now, what is the rule of condition P condition Q? What is the rule of P condition Q? Whenever we have first P, yavaga P condition Q and kotirtara. P condition Q ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A condition B ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು, A condition Y ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. So here whenever they have given the form like this, if first is 1, if this is 1 and if this is 0, okay, if P is 1, first is 1 and second is 0, ಆ time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು is 0, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ 1, 1. This is the rule of condition we already studied. Next, similarly here also, go here. First should be what? 1. Second is 0. First should be 1. Second is should be 0. Then only I'll be getting 0. Mikkidella 1. So what is 1 and what is 0 here? Q is what? 1. What is P? 0. So this will be 0. Rest all is 1. I think if whether you people followed this first step I want to ask. If whether you people followed this truth table, no problem is hogilla no. Truth table artha aita ellarigo? Just raise your hands. Okay, this was discussed. Whoever were absent, just go to the link and then follow. Okay, this is what we studied in the previous class. Now I will replace the name. If a problem in kotara P bitu bidri, P and bada namuga. I want here R and Q. So see here, R and Q naga first whether we have Q or whether we have R. P, Q, R. Q first, R second. So Q, R. So this will be what? Q condition R. Q condition R. Similarly here also. This is first is Q and this is R. This is what? Reverse. R condition P. R condition P. R condition P 1 1 0. Q condition R 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. Now I think if you want to copy this. If you are copying, copy this. It is very important. Whether you are copying, shall I wait for 2 minutes? Because it is important. These two are not equal to each other. Sorry, it is not P, it is Q. Thank you for correcting Gautami. Okay, so this is R condition Q. Whether everybody copied this? Shall I go to the original problem now? Okay. Now what I want here? I want R condition Q. E truth table aste bek namuga. R condition Q. This is waste for us. I'll rub this. Okay. Now solve anta kottaru. Is equal to. First what I told, I'll solve the problem within the bracket. First I need to solve within the bracket. Fine. First I need to solve within the bracket. So P as it is hungry conjunction. I'll be using term conjunction, disjunction. Don't use and or. Okay. So P conjunction. What is R and Q? What is R here from our given? What is R from our given data? R is 1. So ಅದನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ 1 ಕ್ಯೂ ಹೆಂಗ್ 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ whoever is preparing the question paper they only will give the data p q r ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ p q ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು they will ask us to find out p and q. Okay, so this is what r is 1. What is q? Q is 0 is equal to P. See here, R is what? 1. R is 1. Q is 0. R is 1. Q is 0. First is R, but first Q agalri illa. How is logic? You need to solve. First is what? R. R is what? 1. Q is what? 0. So R is 1, Q is 0. Result ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? It is 0. The result is 0. Finally, we need to solve this conjunction. Conjunction means what? And operation. What is P now? P is 0. Conjunction 0 is equal to 0. So, the truth value is 0. The truth value is 0. I think you have followed. Copy it down. I'll give 2 minutes. If you are having doubt, message me. Whether you are copying or no. If you are having doubt, ask me now only. Truth table put at the side. You will come to know. Shall I rub the board? Everybody followed this problem? Raise your hands. Everybody followed this problem? Okay. Fine. Hands down. I'll go to the next. ಇದ್ರಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. I'll solve another problem on this only. Next type of okay. Coming to the next problem, same data. Idra mele innond martini nanu. Please come on time. I'll not repeat again and again. So this is P conjunction Q. This is what? Condition R. Condition R. First, what did I tell you? We need to solve within the brackets. Yeah, we need to solve the propositions which are within our bracket. First, I will solve this only. Simple it is. Okay, it will solve within the bracket. Is equal to what is P according to our data? 0. P is 0. Conjunction. What is Q? Q is 0. P is 0. ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, P is 0. Conjunction. What is Q? It is 0. ಇದು R ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. Now, next step. What is 0 conjunction 0 or 0 and 0? 0 and operation 0 is 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now we'll solve R. What is R? R is 1. Now what is 0 condition 1? Immediately ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ separate truth table ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. For now I'll put the truth table. Okay, P Q, P condition Q. This is like P for us, this is like Q, that's it. Okay, this is like P, 0 is like P, and this is like Q. 0 0. For example, previous problem on ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ R condition Q ಅಂತ time ನಾಗ reverse ಅದು first P Q R, so R next ಬರ್ತದೆ, so we had taken reverse. Whereas here don't be confused, this acts like P, this acts like Q, that's it. Okay, now I'll write for you truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Directly this is 0 plus $1. You need to remember this, no other option for condition. So 0, P is 0, this is like P, this is like Q. What is P? P is 0, Q is what? 1. So this is our valid combination, that is P is 0 and Q is 1. This will be equal to what? 1. This will be equal to 1. So truth value of this is truth value of, you need to conclude like this, P conjunction Q condition R is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Like this you need to conclude the problem. Truth value ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಥವಾ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ truth value. They may ask us to find the truth value. Whether everybody followed this problem? I'll go to another set of problem now. Fine. Okay. Copy it. Just don't listen. Don't see. You'll not find out. Just copy it. At least take the screenshot, whatever it is. Fine. We'll solve another one type of a problem based on this only. Okay. Full subject is based on these logical connectives only with slight change. That's it. So you need to be perfect with all the truth tables. No other option. Fine. We'll go to the next set. Problem. How they may ask us in exam. They may confuse us. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೂ. Okay, now find the, they may ask problem like this. Find the, whenever I ask for doubts, message me immediately. After Arab, don't message me. Even I can't help. If anybody is having doubt, you can personally call me. Okay, not an issue. Personally call madri, explain martina. Fine. Find the possible truth value. Copy it now only. Truth value of P Q R in the following. Find the possible truth value of proposition P, proposition Q, proposition R in the following. Okay, we need to find out what truth table. See now. First, how they may give us. We need to find out the truth values. P condition of Q disjunction R. Q disjunction R is false. Is false. Now I will explain this. They may twist the question like this also. Okay. Whether my video is struck? Whether my video is struck? Raise your hand. Whether it is clear? It is now raise your hand. Whether it is clear video? Okay. Fine, fine. Now, fine, hands down. Now they may ask us to find the truth values of proposition P, proposition Q, proposition R. ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ P ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? P condition Q disjunction R is false. What is false? 0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. False is 0, true is 1. False is 0, true is 1. Okay. False is 0, true is 1. So, Anusha, why you raised your hand? Anything doubt? Okay. P condition Q disjunction R is false. What is the meaning of a false? False is 0. False is 0. Now we need to find out truth values. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? P ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, Q ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಎಸ್, they had given P, they had given Q, they had given R. But we need to find out ಇದರದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, this example is little bit reverse. What they have given truth value of this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This complete is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. This complete is equal to 0. We need to find out P. We need to find out Q, we need to find out R. Each other reverse ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. We need to find out P, we need to find out Q, we need to find out R. Fine. So, we'll see how we can find P, Q and R. First, this is equal to 0 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. This is like P condition, listen carefully, this is like Q. Okay, this one is like P, this is Q, this complete Q disjunction R is like Q. This is equal to 0 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. 0 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. Now we will see the truth table aside. P, Q, P, Q. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Now, P is what here? This complete P condition Q is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? P ಮತ್ತೆ Q ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now when our P condition will be 0, see here, go on seeing, it is 0 here. It is 0 here. P condition Q is equal to 0 anta they have given us. So when this P condition Q will be 0 at this point. When P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0, our complete result is 0. Our complete result is 0. So what is here P? P is what? 1. P is 1. Condition. What is this? Q. Q is 0. This is equal to 0. I think you are getting my point. Now, this is clear. What about this now? Complete. Now, we need to find out Q disjunction R is equal to what? 0. I'll write like this, is equal to 0. Q disjunction R base first ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿದಿನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದಿನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ನಾವು then we'll go to the bracket in deep. So Q, what is this? Disjunction. I hope you are getting this. This is disjunction R is equal to 0. How you got 0, ma'am? From this. Consider this to be a P. Consider this to be a Q. If I put here 1 and if I put here 0. Madam, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮಗ ಐದರ್ ಇವು ಮೂರು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂ disjunction R is equal to 0. When Q disjunction R will be 0, this is 0. Disjunction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು OR gate. What is the meaning of a disjunction? Disjunction is OR gate. When these both are 0, definitely this will be 0. Go for an AND gate. 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ? When P is also 0, when Q is also 0, at that time only it will be 0. That's it. So finally what I got here? P is 1. P is 1. Q is what? Q is equal to 0 from here and R is equal to 0. I am going to explain once again. Just another hardly 5 minutes I have. Okay. In the last example, they had given us, okay, to find, they had given P, Q, R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಆ ಮೂರು P, Q, R ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ವಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 or 1. So here what they have given, reverse ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು question. They have given us one complete combination, that is P conjunction Q disjunction R is equal to false ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲಿ. False is what? 0. So I have put here 0. Now ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು condition full 0 ಇರ್ತದ, we need to think, give work for your brain. First, this is what condition. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು condition 0 ಇರ್ತದ, so I have put here, consider this to be P, complete this to be a Q. This is nothing but P, this is nothing but Q ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. This is P, this is Q. P is no doubt here I have written, this complete is Q. ಇದ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. For now just leave it. So Q, P condition Q should be what? 0. Whenever P condition Q will be 0, see here. When P is 1 and Q is 0. When P is 1 and Q is 0, I will get my result 0. No doubt one day case to daily. So when P is 1 and Q is 0, I got here 0 from our truth table. Now, okay, this is P 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? Q R. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? So Q disjunction R is equal to what? 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Now Q disjunction R is equal to 0. What is Q? We don't know. What is R? We don't know. But what I know, result is 0. But what I know, result is 0. If I want to put here truth table, consider this to be P, Q, P, disjunction Q ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. If you want to put this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. First will be 0, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 1, 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. Only first will be 0, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ all, rest all will be 1. So when our result will be 0, this one. When P is 0 and Q is 0, then only our result will be 0. So I am using this here. Madam, will QR ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ PQR ತಗೊಳಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ. No problem. Just I am using the logic of this truth table. I am using the logic of disjunction, that's it. It can be applied for any of our propositions. Don't worry about that. So first is what? 0. Result is what? 0. When result will be 0? When first is also 0, when second proposition is also 0, then only our result will be 0, otherwise it will be 1 according to my truth table. So what happens here finally? So what happens here? So I got here 0, 0 from my truth table, first combination. So from Q I got 0, R I got 0. So P is 1, Q is 0 and R is 0. Finally, I found out what P, Q and R by solving one simple example. Whether everybody followed this? Just raise your hands if you have followed. Take the screenshot. Tomorrow I'll explain another type of a problem. Just take the screenshot or write down, do whatever you want. But L2 truth table you need to remember. Take first, another 1 minute is there last. After if you go through the problem, if you get doubt also, you can ask me, not a problem, okay? Many of you have not submitted assignments. Only regular students have submitted. What about others? Fine. Okay, we'll end the class for today. In next class, again, ಈ ತರ problem is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ complicated ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. I am going step by step, okay? So this will end your class. I hope you have followed the class. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me up. Fine. Fine. Somebody has sent here. Okay, fine. Thank you.